Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily change your Cadillac key fob battery. This simple process takes only a few minutes and requires minimal tools. First, you will need a new CR 2032 coin battery, which is widely available. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver, or you can use the emergency key itself to help open the fob. Your first step is to locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button, and the internal metal emergency key will pop out. Gently slide this key completely out of the fob and place it somewhere safe. This action reveals a small opening, which is crucial for the next step in accessing the battery compartment. Now, look for a small slot or groove where the emergency key was previously housed. Take your small flathead screwdriver or the emergency key itself and carefully insert it into this opening. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, you will feel the two halves of the key fob casing begin to separate. Work slowly around the seam to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the fob is open, you will see the old CR 2032 battery. Gently pry it out and dispose of it properly. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces downward. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot and test your fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.